6 rounds, 30 seconds. Stand by. Threat.
I mean, there's already so many restrictions. I mean, California itself has laws upon laws upon laws upon laws. It's a never-ending nexus. So seeing as that kind of loosens the leash a little bit on people who just want to, practice their rights essentially, I think it's a good thing. We're not taking away all the laws. We're just making it a little easier.
Threat.
I mean, most of us people just want to be left alone, and we're good people. We don't do anything wrong. We just want to protect ourselves.
Threat. Threat.
And again, the Second Amendment doesn't say that your right to defend your home gives you a right to infringe on someone else's safety out in the public. And that's the line that we're going to walk. We're going to respect the Second Amendment, but we're also going to make sure that those folks who have a right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness don't get shot.
Threat.
Again, we don't want a proliferation of weapons in sensitive areas, and we don't want the wrong people to have guns. That makes sense. They all work together, and California is safer because of it.
The court's already acknowledged that we have a long historic tradition of limitations on carrying firearms in so-called sensitive places. So, for example, the New York state legislature has just enacted a new set of gun laws, and they said subways are sensitive places, Times Square are sensitive places. And so they're trying to push out the envelope on the definition of what constitutes a sensitive place. What legislatures are looking at is limitations around who, limitations around where, and limitations around just what kinds of weapons are we talking about.
Good moral character, I'm all about. The training requirements, I'm all about. I'm all about the Second Amendment, but there's a thing in being safe, responsible gun owners. So California is going to do what they can to make sure that the people that are carrying firearms are safe. They know what they're doing. They know how to handle it. And the big thing is really understanding when they know that they can use it within the confines of the law and case law and self-defense. I don't think we would benefit from a lot of people carrying guns out on the street without the proper training and being vetted to a certain extent. Now, that's where it becomes a gray area. How much power do we give the state to figure that out? But I'm all about the controls. I'm all about the training and responsible gun ownership.